He's got a feather stuck to the top of his head. I had to stop Ally here from getting it off him. Because it looks really, really funny. Look at him. He's wearing a wig. You're wearing a wig, boy. Better take it off. How did it get stuck to your head? There we go. Now it's stuck on her beak. It's stuck to her beak now. What's going on? Oh, look at how cute they are. Oh. You get it off your beak, sweetie. Go ahead. Keep falling. Come on, baby. No. Maybe fall off. He's back on his head again. And then back on a beak. Look at him. It's like a romantic sharing thing to do. Oh, there we go. And it's back on there again. Come on, sweetie. Let me get it off. There we go. Put it back. No, I'm going to get rid of it. That's so cute. Put it over here.